Japanese, they use the unit of bang to count for no. For example, no 1, no 2, no 3, as you see in the picture. No 1, which means number 1, number 2, number 3. And in Japanese, they use the unit of bang, as you see in the kanji. For example, ichiban. Ichiban, which means no 1 or number 1. Niban, niban, no 2 or number 2. Samban, samban, which means no 3 or number 3. And now we are going to learn how to count for no in Japanese. Yonban, yonban, goban, goban, rokuban, rokuban, nanaban, nanaban, hachiban, hachiban, kyuban, kyuban, juban, juban. And when you want to make question, you can say Nan Ban, Nan Ban, or you can say in the polite form by using Nan Ban desu ka, Nan Ban desu ka, which means how many. Now let's see some example of how to use ban, which means no or number in English. The first example, Tanaka-san no group wa nanban desu ka? Tanaka-san no group wa nanban desu ka? Which means, what is the number of Tanaka-san group? What is the number of Tanaka-san's group? The second example, Tanaka-san no group wa 3番です。Tanaka-san no group wa 3番です。Which means, Tanaka-san group is no 3. Or Tanaka-san group is number 3. Something like that.